weather, fab bikinis, all my BFFs. Yes, another great day at the beach. I can't believe it's December, and I'm still in a bikini.
There's nothing like a lazy day on the beach.
Oh, December? Time to rock my winter look. No, real winter clothes. Mittens, earmuffs, galoshes. Nothing like a good galosh. Galosh? Give me Malibu weather any day. And all the fun beach sports. I miss snow.
Maybe it's the mother in me, but I can't stand to see Amy so sad.
Snow? What's that about?
Snow's super fun. You play in it, make forts, go sledding.
Barbie, didn't know whether you wanted the formal picnic china or the casual, so I brought both.
Yeah, Barbie. There's nothing like playing in the snow. But in Malibu, there's no way it could ever snow.
I'm on it! You want winter? Here it is, the Snowerator! Push this button and blammo! Instant cold. Might need to tweak the Frost-O-Matic reactor core.
Did you really have to bring us all the way down here to finish that sentence?
There's something wrong with the sky! I want to play in it!
It's like cold sand. How do you dress for this? A fur-lined tankini?
Time to restyle!
Oh, man, this is the coolest.
I like that. Our snow dude rocks.
What are you talking about? She's the life of the party. Just look at that hat.
Can't be more adorbs than this snow hunk. A life-size hunksicle. Whoa, you're giving me chills.
Careful, Chelsea. Might take you a while to get the hang of skating.
I think I've got the hang of it. Oh, Ken! Check out the cutest snow angel ever!
It's fun to bring people a long way to finish a sentence, isn't it?
It really is.
Well, Ken, you artificially altered Malibu's climate to create a completely unnatural weather phenomenon. And I love it!
Yeah, and nothing ever goes wrong when you mess with Mother Nature.
Nikki, are you okay?
Kinda cold.
Take that! Halt! Who goes there?
Sticks, get out of my fort!
Miss me!
What's happening?
It must be their plastic. It's hardening up in the cold.
Midge, Teresa, you guys okay?
Fine.